Warm regards to all the dear teachers. From time immemorial, teachers are the one who illuminates the devils. From mine, ignite the bright soul and illuminate the world with their wisdom. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a bright star in human galaxy. He realized the role of teachers in shaping the nation, so dedicated his birthday as Teachers' Day. Now, with pomp and show, the day is observed for the nation builders. I am privileged for being a part of this fraternity. I honor my life for being a teacher to thousands of students than I play any other role in a human being. On the auspicious occasion, I salute to all the real warriors who work hard, dedicate their precious time of life to educate the young minds, and my teachers who taught me what life is, who my parents are, who the God is, and above all, how time is precious part of our own life, and why knowledge is played an important role in our life, eliminate the ignorance and sparkle wisdom in life. Thank you all teachers to become a role model to your students. I'm blessed and hope you all are blessed to being a part of this and bigger fraternity. Thank you all. Happy Teachers' Day.
This is extraordinary today. The day has dawned bright and wonderful. Yes, because it's our day. A day meant especially for teachers throughout the entire world. Esteemed Principal Madam, Honorable Vice Principal Sir, and my loving colleagues. This is Pragya, and from the core of my heart, I extend my heartfelt wishes to all of you on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. I also offer my tribute to late Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher, as well as two of my great teachers who have left an indelible imprint in shaping my career. They are late Mr. Dilip Kumar Chakra, Department of English, and late Mr. Debashish Sahu, Department of History. As my teachers have helped me a lot, I'd also like to share and ignite the mind of the students who come in contact with me. I once again take privilege in wishing all of you to have a bright and wonderful Teachers' Day, notwithstanding the pandemic created by COVID-19. Despite being stuck inside our house, we are celebrating Teachers' Year this time in a different manner, that is, virtually. Once again, happy Teachers'
Happy Teachers' Day. First of all, I extend my hearty welcome to my respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and my beloved staffs. Due to COVID-19, we will celebrate Teachers' Day virtually. On this auspicious day, let us give a big thank to all the teachers who have taught us, guided us, and helped us become what we are. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Good morning children. I am Satish Mishra, newly joined as computer teacher in your school. Today is a Teachers' Day. So message from my side is that you need to stay safe at home during this pandemic situation and carry on your study with online classes. I hope you all are enjoying online classes with your parents. I hope your parents are taking care of you and you also take care of your parents. And from my side, as a teacher, you need to excel in your future. Though this pandemic situation are there, still then you need to carry on your studies and try to excel in your future. Thank you.
A very happy and cheerful day to one and all. Respected Principal Ma'am, VP Sir, and my dear colleagues. I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. It is the day to express our gratitude, respect, love to our Gurus, mentors, for whom we are here. On this special occasion, here is a poem for all of you. I am Sakuntala Das, a teacher. I spend my day with blackboard, chalk and duster. I begin my day thinking about you, prepare my notes, how to teach you. I am not less than a warrior, whether anybody say or not, I don't care. But I consider myself as a COVID warrior. It is you who keep me young, fresh and jolly. It is you who allow me to celebrate Children's Day, Chocolate Day with you. Really children, I miss you. So stay safe, stay at home. Jai Jagannath. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Good teachers are the reason why the ordinary students are dreamed to do extraordinary things. A teacher can change the life with just a proper mixture of chalk and challenges. Again, wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
A very happy Teachers' Day. I like to extend this wish to my respected Principal Madam, Vice Principal Sir and my beloved colleagues. So celebration of Teachers' Day in school and colleges, there is a next level of excitement between teacher and student also. So in this auspicious day, I like to give heartfelt thanks to my teachers who have invested their effort, hard working to bring out the best in us. And it is actually we cannot repay their hard work in more words. Happy Teachers' Day.
Today is the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. So my warm greetings to all my dear students of BPS. So teachers are like the roads who stay at their own place, but they help their students to reach their destination. So on this occasion, I want to give my best wishes to my mentor, Principal Ma'am, VP Sir, and my dear colleagues. And my dear students, always respect to your teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us the strength to survive is a teacher. Today, in this auspicious occasion, I would like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers at Vyasanagar Public School. A special thanks to Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and all other teachers at Vyasanagar Public School for your valuable guidance. I am a new teacher and I hope that I will be able to shoulder all the responsibilities that a teacher is supposed to handle. Thank you so much for making me a part of this lovely family. And at last, I would like to wish Happy Teachers' Day again. Thank you so much.
Morning all of you. Happy Teachers' Day, VP Sir, Ma'am and all of my colleagues. I am very much happy that still we are struggling, but still we are walking forward. And Teachers' Day, actually, whatever or whoever we are learning, that person is meaningful for us and that person is our teacher. So, this world is vast and it is meaningful to learn from everyone. Even if I am a teacher, I am learning from my seniors, my senior colleagues, VP Sir and Ma'am. I am very much thankful to them. Happy Teachers' Day, Ma'am and Sir. Bless me. Be a good teacher. Always thank you.
ଏହି ଶୁଭ ଓ ପବିତ୍ର ଗୁରୁ ଦିବସ ଅବସରରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଆନ୍ତରିକ ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଓ ଶୁଭକାମନା। ମୋର ଅତି ପ୍ରିୟ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀମାନେ, ତୁମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିର ଏହି ଶୁଭ ଅବସରରେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦର ବର୍ଷା ଅଜାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛି। ତୁମମାନଙ୍କ ଚଲାପଥ କୁସୁମିତ ହେଉ। ତୁମେମାନେ ମହାମନୀଷୀ ଡକ୍ଟର ସର୍ବପଲ୍ଲୀ ରାଧାକ୍ରିଷ୍ଣନଙ୍କର ପଦାନୁସରଣ କରି ଭଲ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ି ଭଲ ମଣିଷ ହୋଇ ଆମ ସ୍କୁଲକୁ ଗୌରବାନ୍ୱିତ କର। ଭକ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେବା ହେଉଛି ଛାତ୍ରର ଭୂଷଣ। ସେ ନେଇ କବି ଶ୍ରୀ ଅଚ୍ୟୁତାନନ୍ଦ ଦାସ କହିଛନ୍ତି, ଗୁରୁ ସେବାରେ ଜ୍ଞାନ ପାଇ ଅନ୍ଧକୂପରୁ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହୋଇ, ଗୁରୁ ନ ସେବିଲେ ଅର୍ଜୁନ କାହୁଁ ପାଇବୁ ସତ୍ୟଜ୍ଞାନ, ଗୁରୁଟି ବ୍ରହ୍ମା ହରିହର, ଗୁରୁ ଯେ ସ୍ୱୟଂ ନିରାକାର, ଏଘେନି ଗୁରୁଙ୍କର ସେବା ଯେ ପ୍ରାଣୀ କରେ ସେ ଦୁର୍ଲଭ।
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and my dear colleagues. Wishing you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
A very good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, VP Sir, and my dear colleagues. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
A very good morning to all of you. So this is Priyansi Malik, and today we all know that today is a special day. Today is Teachers Day. So on this day, I just want to wish a happy Teachers Day to all the teachers of the world. And we all are struggling a lot, and this year we are celebrating this Teachers Day in a very different manner because students are not with us, they are far away from us, though our blessing is always with them. So this time we all should be proud of all of us, because all the teachers of the world are warrior this time, because we are fighting, we are struggling to share our knowledge, distribute our knowledge, and to give wisdom to our students through online classes and through various kind of apps. We are clearing their doubts incessantly over phone. So we should be proud of us. We say very happy Teachers Day. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Take care.
Happy Teachers Day. First, I welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and my dear colleagues. Due to COVID-19, we will celebrate Teachers Day virtually. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes. To all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us, every year 5th September we celebrate Teachers Day to fondly remember Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So again, I wish to all the teachers Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and have a nice day.